I'm sorry.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What do we got?
We vamped it.
Dude, this is old school. So this dive, I can't really dive. Looks like I'll just be playing the peel game. This Genji for this game, for this map. Especially when they have a soldier.
Bad guys.
They're going elephant. Genji half. Genji half.
Waiter, dude.
Low.
Soldier discorded.
That's our push back line.
Nice.
The objective is now
Coming to Rexard is Mccree, dude. Mccree is like the solo queue, one of the solo queue carries in my opinion. But in tournament play, it's so much harder because everyone focuses the shit out of you. But people usually don't focus Mccree as much as they should in solo queue. And when he's not getting properly focused, he's actually like a good counter to dive. Zarya's half. Shit. I shouldn't have dived. Forget it.
On me.
He goes on point.
Remember, I can't really dive in this comp because we don't have much forward pressure. Will we get the Zarya here? No shield?
I'm on the Genji. 100 health. Genji's one.
There we go. Holy shit, me and Calvin actually just flanked together and killed fucking everyone. Holy shit. I just dashed and with him and he just finished everything in like one shot. How close to grab are you?
Yeah.
My ultimate is charged.
I'm going straight on.
Wait, all he says is yeah. What does that mean?
Go.
Mccree left.
Oh, he got
Okay, left side.
left side. Tracer on point behind you. Tracer half. Tracer no recall. Left side point. I'm on her.
Ben's half.
My blade is ready to be unleashed.
The trance. Damn, no deflect.
We'll get 99.
We force trance, so that means our grab should be able to get more kills. Hopefully. Theoretically speaking, chat. Now they're only gonna have a barrier, so if we have any good cleave on it, we should be able to fucking stop.
I've grabbed.
But we don't have a bomb to combo from Tracer, so that sucks. So will we upload Titanfall single player gameplay to YouTube? Probably not. For variety games, I don't really upload to the YouTube because I feel like the YouTube right now is very much Overwatch. I don't want to change that too much. If anything, I'd upload other FPS games multiplayer. So like, if I had a really good PUBG game, I'd upload it. Or Paladins. Anything. Fuck, I was talking, I could have deflected that. I threw. I'm pissed. That's the exact reason I don't talk during the game.
Monkey on me in the back. I'm dead.
Monkey on point. I'm on the monkey.
Is it Kappas? We'll work this out. Oh, we got it! Nice, son. Wait, why'd he beat? Oh, because it's 99, he didn't want him to die. Mccree top right?
Sorry. Lucio.
My ultimate is almost.
first round. 1. Score 1-0.
So we make a second YouTube for variety stuff? Nah. I'm not gonna make like a second YouTube for variety stuff. I'll just have to like... There's like a process to get people used to watching things other than one game, and eventually people get over it, you know?
Do I not feel outcast?
Seagull's weird because he either throws when he's talking or becomes hyper competent when he's talking. So if it's game related, then typically, if it's game related and I don't have to think about it, then it's easy to focus on it while I'm playing the game. Otherwise it sucks.
Tracer on our right. Tracer on our right. On D2.
Oh, I got pushed away.
It's a fucking mess. I can't see shit. Oh, that guy could have died.
Fuchs, just
Actually, we're
remember
looking.
you don't have a diva.
Tracer.
We will fight again. My ultimate is charging.
Yeah, let's go. Take high ground. Monkey close here. I'm coming for the Tracer behind you guys.
Jesus, the Tracer's gonna kill somebody.
Yeah, we're split. I'm coming back. Got you. Nice. I'm on the Zen. Zen low. Zen low.
You just have?
Yeah, that guy's running.
You just had a Mac.
Good cap.
Using the cubby. Low.
He's in cap again. So.
Lucio's just... Lucio,
I am claiming the objective.
Can we hold point? Or not hold point.
My ultimate.
Okay. I'm gonna be behind them.
I always hate in those type of situations, chat, where that last team fight is, where it's like, I know I should probably burn my ult, but it looks like we don't need it. But you know, if you don't,
they're all there, dude.
if you take the risk,
oh yeah.
I'll double sword ult.
Experience.
Oh shit, we can go in.
Come here! They're on point. They're on point. Genji's out. Nice. Soldier and Zen here.
My task is not complete. My ultimate is charging.
What do you deflect melee? It blocks. It doesn't deflect, but it blocks.
On the way back.
Oh, that's a lot of damage deflected. Let's see. What's this guy? He's not 100 energy. They're gonna have trance again, I think, right now. See if we can force it.
Tossing the Zen around. Zen's down.
I've got you in my sights.
They're burning so many ults out of nowhere.
Just got solo visor.
Oh, what? They just ran a point, really?
Trigger! That guy's triggered!
The objective is under attack.
Coming back to point right now.
It's like situations like that, chat, where they're burning ults one by one in a 1v4 situation, and it should not work, and in a pro game, they would never do it. But in solo queue, they're just gonna burn it, and then like 3 people feed, and then they just get lucky and they win. But that, like, it shouldn't
On this Genji.
actually be, you know, if a soldier 1v4 aimbots, well, usually you'd have a diva, so it wouldn't do anything. But. It's like, maybe I should have blown sword there, you know?
Zen's low.
But I wanted to wait until after the trance to blow it. Oh, oops, you got boosted. Dumpstered. Couldn't even see him because of the giant Winston corpse. Lit J, donated $5. Says, just checking in, want to say supportive of my cuz, you go Seagull, cousin Jeff. Aww, what's up, Jeff? Hope you're doing well, man. You're adorable. Thank you, Jeff. Kaplan Pogchamp.
No way.
Sorry, juicy steak.
Almost up.
Fuck, I wanted to deflect those.
Heals here.
Oh my god, I'm
On the Winston, I'm on the Winston.
This is really bad. We're gonna lose the fight instantly because he burned his bubble there.
Kelvin, what are you doing?
So in this situation, chat, he's not gonna know this. But, like,
we need to go left. You guys all go
it's so hard. Like, okay, if Winston burns his bubble as you walk out the door, you automatically lose the fight. If they have a fair and you don't have a diva, you automatically lose the fight if they spam the door. The only possible way to block that is if you let Zarya self-shield and team-shield the rockets as you come out the door, or Genji deflects. So I use deflect there, but it's like one of those niche situations that causes you like instantly lose the point.
I need heals, dude. On the left, I'm coming for Tracer.
Time for Timbo with 500 bits. Says, take my mother heckin' bits.
Do you play Diva?
I will.
Cats?
I will, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Me pretty good.
Appreciate it, dude.
Let's see if we can go out top right and just make some space and kill the Pharah. I'm gonna put a bump down here. I'm jumping on McCree.
That's not gonna work.
Nice.
Farrah's coming over in a sec.
Need heals. Tracer. On the
There we
Tracer.
go. I was looking for the Pharah that whole time. I knew she had to be behind us somewhere.
Cap? Oh, there's
Point. I need heals. On the McCree. On the McCree. McCree's one, our side of point. I still have 130 health. Tracer's gonna kill me here.
It's another one of those games where like maybe I should have popped blade instantly on the McCree and Zen at the very end, but it didn't feel like we needed it. And look, every single person on my team felt the same way. We have 3 ults and we almost lost that fight. We're actually gonna end up winning it because Calvin's shooting heads, but like it happens all the time. Wolfenstein chill? Yeah, dude. The old blood will be coming in about an hour. I'll play it for about an hour. I'm gonna cut stream like probably 20 minutes early today. Just because last night I was way too fucking late. I actually even took a nap this afternoon because I was up way past my normal
Put a
time.
bubble up here if they come in main if you want.
Yeah, sure.
right side, she's half.
They're coming in, right?
Get back in it.
He's way HP.
3 dead.
I'm coming, Zen.
I'm on the Zen. Zen and McCree are zone.
I require healing.
There's 3 on me back here.
Our Zen was the one who contested point. That's super dangerous because it's like a 50-50 if center wins or loses that trace.
Let's use
1v1.
Zen bottom left.
Seagull, all of these things could be permitted if you would just communicate with your team. No, actually, no, because usually last second stuff like that. These are like split second decisions that we're talking about.
Coming up for Winston, I'm on him.
Oh, I didn't have deflect. I didn't have deflect. I'm dumb. No,
Oh, that's on the fucking.
I forgot it was off cooldown. I got triggered by chat.
That was bad, man. Oh, Genji half. Counter beating.
I'm on this Genji.
Micro life AI, thanks for the sub. I'm gonna jump on the McCree in a sec.
I need heal.
Where is he? Do you know where he is?
Dead.
Winston's Discord, he's super low.
One on soldier next.
Come on, Genji. Genji on point half, guys.
21 bar. Punch him. Got him. It was good, man. Last kill.
They all dead? No, there's one more main. Lucio.
Easy. Common pleb. No longer. Thank you for the sub. Craze car. Thank you for the sub. Shooting heads. Easy.
Easy, dude. Good games.
I use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
No problem, dude.
I was worried.
Be right back, Chad.
So why not sleeping dogs?
It's the opposite. That's the point. To not be sleeping dog.
Isn't that,
So how'd you get the name,
what
dude?
the was it?
I saw the game Sleeping Dogs, 5 Sleeping Cats.
That's the one. What kind?
What kind of game is that, dude?
Dogs?
It came out a couple years ago.
That's actually pretty good.
You mean Watch Dogs?
No,
No.
Sleeping Dogs. Look it up.
It's I didn't play it, but I heard good things.
Chinese gang kind of movie, or not movie, game.